Hello everyone. I have to tell you that every tip and instruction mentioned in this video has been verified by the mechanics working at the shop where I am right now. If you're driving your Ford Fusion Hybrid and suddenly the message "Stop safely now" appears with the red triangle, the first thing to do is don't panic, but do pay attention. This warning isn't just a random dashboard alert. Your car is telling you it detected a problem in the hybrid or electrical system that could cause the vehicle to shut down or enter a limited operating mode. Basically, it's asking you to stop in a safe place and check the car. The first thing a lot of people overlook is that it's not always serious, and sometimes the issue can be as simple as a loose connection. The mechanics here have told me that many times this warning shows up due to loose wires, disconnected plugs, or minor electrical issues. So before freaking out, check those details first. Now, if the message appears while you're driving and you feel the car losing power or shutting off, that usually points to the high voltage system. Several people have told me that tools like FORScan show high voltage interlock HVIL codes or faults in the hybrid battery circuits. This means an internal connection could be failing and the car goes into protection mode to prevent damage. Another common scenario mechanics mention is overheating of the hybrid electronics. If you're driving on the highway or in hot weather and the warning pops up, it could be that the pump or cooling system for the hybrid battery pack isn't working properly. The system basically says stop before something worse happens. Before thinking about complicated repairs, also check the connectors behind the dashboard or center console. Many people who have moved items, removed panels, or cleaned the glove box were surprised to find that a harness had come loose. Simply unplugging and reconnecting that harness has fixed the problem for many, and without spending a penny. Now, if the car recognizes the hybrid system, the radio menu or dashboard shows it, but still doesn't respond correctly or shuts down, then the issue can be more serious. Mechanics have solved this by updating the radio software or replacing the hybrid module, because internally it was no longer sending the correct signals. Finally, if you hear humming, interference, or strange noises, it's not always dangerous, but it can indicate electrical problems or low-quality cables. Mechanics recommend using a good quality cable or even a noise isolator which can instantly eliminate those annoying sounds.